Ever wondered if your toaster might be conspiring with your fridge? Welcome to the world of Internet of Things, or as it's more commonly known, IoT. You see, there's no need to worry about your kitchen appliances plotting a coup just yet. But in reality, the Internet of Things is rapidly changing our world, connecting everyday objects to the Internet and allowing them to talk to each other. Imagine your alarm clock waking you up and then notifying your coffee maker to start brewing coffee for you. Quite the morning luxury, isn't it? But what if the coffee maker is a late riser? Well, that's a discussion for another day. The Internet of Things is an amazing concept. It's like a giant invisible web that connects everything around us. It's like the world's biggest and most talkative spider web, only without the spiders, thankfully. But what happens when the things connected to the Internet start to outnumber the people? Well, we might have to start considering the feelings of our toasters and fridges. We've seen the rise of smart homes, where everything from your lights to your door lock can be controlled remotely. But what if your door lock has a bad day and refuses to open? You'll be stuck outside your own home, negotiating with a piece of technology. The Internet of Things is not limited to our homes. It's spreading its web into cities, industries, farms, and even our bodies with wearable technology. Soon we'll have smart cows sending messages about their health and smart shoes, telling us when it's time to buy a new pair, probably before we've even worn out the old pair. What's next? Well, the possibilities are as vast as the Internet itself. Maybe we'll have smart toothbrushes that will refuse to work if we've eaten too much sugar, or perhaps smart plants that'll text us when they need water. The Internet of Things is a fascinating and slightly terrifying concept. It's like we're building a huge global brain where everything is interconnected. But don't worry, your toaster isn't planning world domination, at least not yet. So, there you have it. The Internet of Things, a world where your fridge might know more about your eating habits than you do. Before we wrap this up, remember to hit that like button if you've enjoyed this foray into the future. Share it with your friends, family, and even your smart devices. Who knows, your toaster might get a kick out of it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights, humor, and slightly terrifying future possibilities. Until next time, keep your devices happy.